Hey, if you're watching this video, that means you want to learn more about owning and operating a Chick-Fil-A franchise. Well, I'm here to compare owning a Chick-Fil-A franchise to a Driving Academy franchise. That's right, Driving Academy is the first and only truck driving school franchise in the entire country. And today we're going to run a video to do a very clear comparison from Chick-Fil-A, where you're going to sell chicken all day, to Driving Academy, where you're going to get people on the road to freedom. So the first thing that you're going to think about is going to be, okay, what kind of business do you want to be in? The restaurant business is very, very interesting. I've owned up to 3 restaurants myself. I manage a total of 15 in my day, and I'm going to tell you I've never, ever going to get and own a restaurant ever again in my life, right? It was an amazing learning experience, but the problems with restaurants from my experience was a lot of moving parts and very little margins. That being said, let's talk about the Chick-Fil-A franchise. That's kind of the environment that you're going to be dealing with there. When you're talking about truck driving schools, the cool thing about owning a truck driving school is that you're actually changing somebody's life every time you get a new customer. That means you're actually changing the trajectory of that individual and the family that they're going to be interacting with. And that means that you're able to go home and go to sleep every single day very nice and very relaxed, because you have a smile on your face. You're actually making the world a better place. But let's kind of do a comparison on a few different topics. Topic number 1 is going to be the franchising fee. So the way franchising works is going to be, first, most franchises, or I think all franchises, are going to charge you an upfront franchising fee. What that franchising fee covers is going to be things like getting you open, making sure that you get the consulting that you need to open up, giving you access to actually utilize the name, license the name brand, use the operations manual to make sure you understand how the business operates. So the Chick-Fil-A franchising fee is $10,000, which is a very cheap fee. The Driving Academy franchising fee is $50,000, which is 5 times more expensive than Chick-Fil-A. But what do you actually get for each one of these things, right? Because it doesn't matter how much it costs you, it matters what the value actually is. So $10,000 to $15,000 Chick-Fil-A franchising fee, you're going to be like, whoa, I can do that. That's amazing. Well, that's a cool thing, but when you sign the Chick-Fil-A contract, you're going to be a franchisee, but in order for Chick-Fil-A to call you a franchisee, you're technically a very glorified general manager employee type of situation, right? So it's never truly yours, and we're going to get that into much more detail. The $50,000 franchise fee that you're going to pay Driving Academy means that you actually have the keys and access to open up your very own Driving Academy, and you can open up multiple if you choose to. You can choose to be the operator of the business, or you can choose just to be the owner and you just stay out of the operations and you hire a management team. In Chick-Fil-A, $10,000 is going to buy you a job, because no matter what, you have to be the general manager and you have to be the one running and operating that business, just because you are the actual owner itself. Now, when it comes to the build-out cost of each individual franchise, let's talk about those. So a Chick-Fil-A will actually cost up to, and sometimes even more than, $2 million to build a full functioning restaurant. Now, the cool thing about having that Chick-Fil-A is all you have to do is come out $10,000 or $15,000 out of pocket for your franchise fee, and the corporate office will actually build out the restaurant for you and pay for all of that. On the Driving Academy side, the average cost is going to be anywhere from $250,000 to about $450,000, depending on how big you want to scale and what part of the country you want to open up in. All that is going to have to come out of your pocket. So whether you have that full and liquid assets like cash, or whether you have actual investments, or maybe you have some loans that you can get, we have many different funding sources available to help you out with that itself, right? So the main thing is you're building your own business here. Here you're investing into getting hired as a general manager and making sure that you have a job for a long time, right? So we're talking about the startup costs. So for you personally, the startup cost will be a lot cheaper on the Chick-Fil-A side than it would be on Driving Academy. But if that's what you're looking for, that's perfectly okay. Because now it's about, okay, what are the royalties? So there's 2 ways franchising companies actually make money. 1 is going to be through franchising, and 2 is going to be through royalties. Now, the way the franchising model actually works, is supposed to work, is going to be the franchise company has created the concept that works and is duplicatable. Is then going to sell you pretty much that blueprint that you're going to need to just copy, so then you can grow your business just like the franchise did itself. Now, for that, the goal is to make sure that we as franchisors give you all the coaching resources that you need to make sure that your business continues to grow. Because the more money you make, the more money the franchising company makes, because we get a small percentage based on royalties. So let's talk about Chick-Fil-A royalties. Chick-Fil-A's royalties are going to be 15% royalty, but that's not all. You have a 50% profit share, which means 15% off the top of anything that you sell has to go right to corporate, and then 50% of whatever profits left over also goes to corporate, right? So they're getting you twice. At Driving Academy, your royalty is only going to be at 10% of whatever you collect, right? So if you don't collect the money, you ain't going to pay the money. But the better thing is that you're actually going to continue to grow the business and keep a lot more in your pocket. Now, what is going to be like when it comes to operating and running a Driving Academy versus a Chick-Fil-A? So after doing some research, and the average Chick-Fil-A owner actually states online where you're going to have to invest about 60 hours a week, right? Because you're going to be the operator there, to make anywhere from $150,000 to about $250,000 a year in salary. Now, the problem with that is that you're stuck. You're capped out, which means, yeah, you can grow the business much faster. You can grow the business much bigger, because according to what we've found online, the average Chick-Fil-A will actually give about an average of about $8 million, which means there's companies that do a lot higher, there's companies that do a lot lower, different locations, different areas. But if you continue to grow it, you're kind of capped, because again, 15% goes straight to corporate, and 50% of the profits you get to share with corporate as well. So you really have to understand if that is the kind of lifestyle that you want to live. You're going to have to be around greasy food all the time. Cleaning kitchens are not fun. Finding staff members to operate in a kitchen is not always an easy thing, because there's only a certain amount of money that you can actually pay your staff members, and making sure that everyone is actually moving and grooving. And there's so many moving parts when you're selling a $10 piece of chicken, right? So to get to $8 million or $5 million or however many $1 million, when you're selling $5 or $10 meals or $12 meals, it doesn't matter what it is, you got to do a whole lot of volume just to get there. And the more volume you do, it means the more employees. More employees potentially means more headaches and a lot more management skills needed to run that operation, which is perfectly okay if that's what you want. On the Driving Academy side, the average cost per student, we have courses that range anywhere from $2,000 all the way up to $10,000, right? So to get to those same numbers, you have to sell much less customers than what a Chick-Fil-A would have to sell if they're selling a $10 piece of chicken, right? The math just makes sense. Also, when you're dealing with higher price per customer numbers, that means that it's less moving parts, because now you don't need all the employees that you need to actually operate a Chick-Fil-A. You can actually operate a Driving Academy with much less employees and make the same money as a Chick-Fil-A if you chose to, and you want to continue to grow it and scale out your business and all that as well. Now, what we actually walk home with. Now, we're a franchise, so we can't promise anything that you're going to be making, but I can tell you, if you follow the process, we have a much higher profit margin than what Chick-Fil-A does, simply because we're selling education, right? So the problems with a Chick-Fil-A or a restaurant is going to be that they're actually selling food, which means you're going to pay them $10 as an example. They're going to have to spend at least $5 on creating the food itself, plus the big expensive rent that they have, plus all the equipment and everything like that goes into preparing that food, all the employees. When it comes to selling education, what are you selling, right? You don't have to make a piece of chicken to sell you, so then somebody can make you money. You're selling knowledge, and once the person has knowledge, it didn't cost you anything extra to teach one person or to teach 5 people. And that's a cool thing about the scalability of owning a Driving Academy. And then the biggest thing is our mission is to help 1 million people get on the road to freedom. We don't believe that the whole Chick-Fil-A model is truly free, because with Driving Academy, you can build up your team, just like I have, and be an owner now, where you don't have to be involved with the operations. You can, and there's many weeks where I work much more than 60 hours a week, right? There's many weeks I worked 100-hour weeks in the beginning when I was growing and building the business. But the cool thing about me doing all that is I found all of the blueprints, all of the mistakes that I did, and you don't have to go through that same process itself. You can kind of just skip 5 years later and actually have all the systems and processes that we have currently in place that help me as an owner run my business without being in my business directly. And this gives you the opportunity to make a lot more money if you choose to, and to expand into multiple locations just like many of our franchisees are planning to do itself, right? So if you're interested in learning more about the Driving Academy franchise and you want to book a call with somebody, just you can go to our website at cdldrivingacademy.com/franchising, or you can just give our franchising team a call at 888-525-3609. Again, that's 888-525-3609. Say that you saw the Chick-Fil-A Driving Academy YouTube video and you're super interested. Again, $50,000 franchise fee, $250 to $450 to actually open up the facility, and a 10% royalty itself. And our job is to make sure that you are an independent owner and you can actually scale to the level that you want. Some people are okay with making $1 million a year. Some people are much hungrier and they want to continue to grow. Our mission is to help 1 million people get on the road to freedom through students, and the only way we can do that is through franchising and expanding nationwide. So if you are wanting to get into the super hot industry of the truck driving school industry, where there's 150,000 driver shortage, that's right, 150,000 drivers, that means that the demand for your product is going to be so huge, and we already have a brand nationwide, right? We accept students from all over the country, and they're all dying for a location to open up near them. So if you want to open up one in your state and you want to be the first one, give our team a call at 888-525-3609. Again, that's 888-525-3609, or check out our website for more information at cdldrivingacademy.com/franchising, cdldrivingacademy.com/franchising. Thanks, and have a fantastic day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.